If you were to imagine a condo that fully captures the dream of living in downtown Bangkok, you would likely picture a spacious corner unit with sleek design and high quality amenities, high up on the 32nd floor with panoramic views of the city, with state-of-the-art facilities and all the modern comforts you need, located in one of Bangkok's most upscale and lifestyle-focused neighborhoods. So today we tour noble Form Thonglor, a condo that reminds you that you've made it in this city. How was that for an arrival experience? What a great transition from the bustling city outside into a green urban paradise. So this building here is 46 stories high with 451 freehold residential units, and you can see all the prices in the video description and contact our sales team via my website that just popped up here, jetgunther.com. So not only can we help facilitate the sale of units in this condo, if you want to explore your options all around Thailand, we service all the major Thai cities at a variety of budgets. We're now at the 37th floor facilities in the game room. Now you have to contact them to get them to open this for you. This is why it's all closed up. I like this really cool lighting fixture here that goes all the way up to the 38th floor facilities. And then follow me into the next room. This here is the meeting room where you can book and have a presentation with that screen there. I like these lighting fixtures that are congruent with the ones that you saw downstairs in the lobby. And then this next room is a general lounge with free Wi-Fi for you to enjoy this panoramic view from all sides. And then you have this spiral staircase that I'll take to go to the 38th floor. And then we come up to a co-working space in the sky here. You can see that it's a bit more of a formal seating arrangement for people to be in the zone and do their work. And check out this room here. I think a lot of people are gonna like this. You've got your own private screening room here that you can book. It's controlled via Apple TV, so you can sign in. And then you have these reclining seats here for your weekend movie night. This is amazing. I didn't watch any movies, but I can imagine the sound system to be really impressive as well. And then obviously you can close this here to make the room completely dark. All right, let's check out the next room. They call this room here the moon bar, and I think that's because of the moon-shaped lighting fixture to my right here that was a continuation from what you saw downstairs. And I also think it's because this place is gonna look beautiful in the evening when the moon comes out and the city lights come out. You can book this and show off your bartending skills, or bring a bartender here to throw a party. There's an oven, countertop, and a sink there as well. And if you bring foods or champagne and wine, you can put it in the fridge right below here. And then this counter here, you can have hors d'oeuvres and an espresso machine. This is a fantastic panoramic space in the sky for your weekend get-together. Welcome to the 45th floor facilities area, and featuring, I've heard, is one of the highest infinity pools in Bangkok here. And then you have a jacuzzi jets here that you can turn on. I really like these cool arches and this color palette and all. There's also a shallow pool here for the kids. The outdoor showers are that way, and this is where you can turn on the jacuzzi jets. Obviously, safety first with all the safety equipment here. That goes back to the elevator area. And no pool area is complete without the cloud gym here. You have the cardio zone here with the treadmill and the ellipticals. And then for people who want to do weights, you have a free weight area, all the machines here. That's enough for a complete workout. And I like this here. You've got some kettlebells. You can do some serious workout here. Showing off my CrossFit skills coming to fruition. And then you also have an aerobic section. You've got the what do you call those? The yoga balls, whatever. And then the yoga mats that you can have a yoga class here, do some aerobics. And of course, with all of this, you can have your own private trainer come to your gym here to train you. And then on the 46th floor here, I think is a really nice bonus to have this rooftop garden area here. I think in the concrete jungle that is Bangkok, having all the green spaces that we can get access to is a much welcome thing here. It's just another place in this condo here that you can come up and just have your own you time here. You have the seating areas here, really nice trees. I really appreciate them bringing all the greenery up here to the 46th floor here. And then this is really cool. This is a barbecue area with a sink, and then you have a barbecue grill and 2-head induction stoves here. All right, so that's the extent of the facilities. Let's now have a look at one of the show units. So we're now in a 151 square meter 3-bedroom on the 32nd floor, and we're on the high floors of this building, so the unit density will be much less. Now this floor here has only 4 units, each of them taking up a corner. So that's great for privacy inside the building on your end. As we come in to the right, you will find this really nice powder room that comes with an automated Japanese toilet. Really nice large mirrors for your guests. And this kitchen here features this really spacious central island. I like this USB charger outlet here as well, so you can put your phones here as you come in, your iPads to look at your recipes as you're prepping your food. The double door fridge is nicely integrated here. Also, you have a freezer on the bottom. This fridge is by Tika. Also, the island has cabinets at the bottom here as well. Very practical because many islands are just solid stone and you don't have much use to it. Double sink here. The appliance here is also by Tika. Really nice faucet here. This is really great for doing your dishes. And then you have a 4-head induction stove and extractor. Now this here is by Copperbush. Almost forgot. Also a dishwasher by Copperbush. This is a fully stacked Western kitchen that people request. Oven, and then a microwave in the bottom there. These are very nice wood veneer finishes. Whether you want to live here or you want to rent this out, it has all the features like the ovens, the dishwashers, the islands that people request. Also, look at the scale and volume of this living room area here. This is such a nice cozy vibe with a ceiling height of 2.75 meters. This is a corner unit on the south and the west side. So you have very bright double exposure here. And since you're a high floor here, there's no line of sight from nearby buildings looking into you. So not only do you have privacy from the inside of the building via the low density of the floor of just 4 units total, you also have privacy from outside where no one can look into you. And then you have the dining table that way, which we'll get to in a second. But first, I'm gonna take you to the first bedroom. Now, this would be the most compact bedroom of the three in this unit here. And if you feel like you would get better use out of this by turning it into an office, that would be a great idea as well. You have your wardrobe this way here, sliding on this side as well. And you have a combination locked drawer here as well. Now, all the bedrooms in this unit have their own balcony. They're not that big, but it's good for just opening it up and let a breeze come in. There's also closet space here as well that you can close here, and it has full-size mirrors. And then this way is the full ensuite with the toilet and the shower separate in their own zones. We now walk back to the living area where I will show you the rest of the unit. From this angle, you will see the front side of the island has a small wine fridge here by Tika. And then you have a bar area here. That can be a bar or can be an espresso stand. And then you have a nice dining room area with this great lighting fixture that overlooks the view of the south. Now for the south, you can see down Thonglor Road towards Sukhumvit Road. You can see far out to the Chao Phraya River and Bang Krachao, the Green Lung as well. And so we're gonna turn to my left here to go to I would say the junior master. Along here you have various closets on my left here for your shoes, your various other storage items. There's outlets here as well, interesting. And then to my right, this is where your washer and dryer are. Also a cabinet this way as well, a cabinet on this side. They're really making good use of all the corners and all the space that they have. To my left is a walk-in closet. This is for your clothes that you use most often. There's a makeup stand here with a nice mirror, and you can slide to close this. And I really like that you pull on one side and the other side opens and closes along with it. To my right is the ensuite. That's very similar to the ensuite in the other bedroom as well, with a shower stall and a toilet. And then we come to this bedroom area that is more spacious than the previous one. It has its own balcony. This time it faces the west. And then you have a TV dashboard in front of the bed. And then I like this corner on this side here where you have a nice little nook where you can cuddle up with your wine or your book. All right, we're almost there, taking you to this time the master bedroom. But first, let's go this way to the master ensuite. And the vibe here, this really feels like a spa bathroom with this nice freestanding tub by Kosh. It has a separate shower zone with a rain shower. You have an automated toilet here by Kosh and a double vanity with large mirrors and cabinets at the bottom. And then as I come out, there's also a balcony on this side as well. And then as we go further in, you have a walk-in closet to my left here with its own makeup desk. Very nice, moody feel, and I love the wood veneer finishes. And then we come to the master bedroom area here. Space here to fit a large size TV. There's a nice corner here where you can sit with your books and enjoy the view outside. This time it faces west. And this is a very dynamic one with the low-rise shop houses and the little houses in the foreground with all the trees. And it also has a balcony to my right there. And then notice that nightstand there has a combination lock for you to store your valuables. In terms of logistics, the building has 5 levels of automated parking, and you can chill in the lobby as you wait for your car to arrive from the car lift. Or if you prefer the SkyTrain, the condo also has a shuttle service to Thonglor Station. And within this area, you can easily walk to the Commons. That's one of the coolest hangout spots in Bangkok. There's J Avenue, where you can do your grocery shopping at Villa Market. Marché Thonglor is also a great open-air community mall with a ton of great stuff, not to mention all the amazing cafes, restaurants, and nightlife that's in this vicinity. And when you're in need of an emergency, you're also walking distance to Chameleon Hospital and Thonglor Police Station, depending on what kind of crisis you're in. Now, if you're looking for a condo that's actually pet-friendly, check out this video that just popped up where I tour an even larger unit with a second kitchen, a staff quarters, and a massive master ensuite.